Welcome back, Wealth Wisdom 101 family. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top 10 money-saving hacks for online shoppers. With the rise of e-commerce, it's more important than ever to know how to maximize your savings while shopping online. I'm sure many of you have experienced the thrill of finding a great deal or the satisfaction of using a coupon code that saved you a significant amount. In this video, we'll dive deep into various strategies and tools that can help you save even more money on your online purchases. So let's get started and learn how to become a savvy online shopper. For Hack 1, we'll be exploring the world of price comparison tools and websites. These platforms help you find the best deals by comparing prices across multiple retailers, ensuring that you get the most bang for your buck. Let's dive into some popular price comparison tools and learn how to use them effectively. First, we have Google Shopping, a powerful tool that allows you to search for products and compare prices from various online retailers. To use Google Shopping, simply type the product you're looking for into the search bar and click on the Shopping tab. You'll see a list of results with prices from different retailers, making it easy to find the best deal. Next up is ShopSavvy, an app that not only compares prices but also scans barcodes to help you find the best deals in-store and online. To use ShopSavvy, download the app on your smartphone, create an account, and start scanning barcodes or searching for products. The app will display a list of prices from different retailers, allowing you to choose the best option. Lastly, we have PriceGrabber, a website that compares prices across various categories, including electronics, clothing, and home goods. To use PriceGrabber, visit the website, enter the product you're looking for in the search bar, and browse through the results. You can also set up price alerts to be notified when the price of a product drops. When using price comparison tools, it's essential to check multiple sources and set up price alerts to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. For Hack 2, we'll be discussing cashback and rewards programs that can help you save even more money while shopping online. These programs allow you to earn cashback or rewards points for your online purchases, which can be redeemed for discounts, gift cards, or even cash. Let's take a look at some popular cashback and rewards programs and learn how to maximize your earnings. First up is Rakuten, formerly known as Evatease, a popular cashback website that partners with thousands of online retailers. To use Rakuten, sign up for a free account, search for your favorite retailer on their website, and click through to the retailer's site. You'll earn a percentage of your purchase as cashback, which can be redeemed via PayPal or check. To maximize your earnings, look out for double cashback events and refer friends to the platform. Next, we have Swagbucks, a rewards program that allows you to earn points, called SB, for various online activities, including shopping, watching videos, and completing surveys. To earn SB while shopping, visit the Swagbucks website or use their browser extension and click through to your desired retailer. You can redeem your SB for gift cards or cash via PayPal. To maximize your earnings, take advantage of Swagbucks' daily goals, special offers, and referral program. Lastly, we'll talk about Honey, a browser extension that not only finds and applies coupon codes, but also offers a rewards program called Honey Gold. When you shop at participating retailers, you'll earn a percentage of your purchase as Honey Gold, which can be redeemed for gift cards. To use Honey, install the browser extension, create an account, and shop as usual. Honey will automatically apply the best coupon codes and track your Honey Gold earnings. To make the most of cashback and rewards programs, consider combining offers, using referral codes, and redeeming your points strategically. For Hack 3, we'll be focusing on utilizing browser extensions and mobile apps to help you save even more money while shopping online. These tools can automatically apply coupon codes, track price drops, and even earn you cashback. Let's explore some popular browser extensions and mobile apps that can enhance your online shopping experience. First, we have Honey, a browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best coupon codes for your online purchases. We've already discussed Honey in the last hack, so rewind the video if you missed it. Next up is Camel, a price tracking tool that monitors Amazon product prices and alerts you when the price drops. To use Camel, visit their website or install the browser extension, create an account, and add the products you're interested in tracking. You can set your desired price, and Camel will notify you when the price drops to that level. Lastly, we have Slick Deals, a community-driven deal-sharing platform that offers a mobile app and browser extension. Slick Deals users share and vote on the best deals, ensuring that you're always in the loop on the latest discounts and promotions. To use Slick Deals, sign up for an account, download the app, or install the browser extension and start browsing deals. You can also set up deal alerts to be notified when a specific product or category goes on sale. By incorporating these browser extensions and mobile apps into your online shopping routine, you can save even more money and make the most of your purchases. For Hack 4, we'll explore how to find and use discount codes and coupons to save even more money while shopping online. These promotional offers can provide significant savings on your purchases, making it essential to know where to find them and how to apply them effectively. Coupon websites. Websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, and Groupon aggregate discount codes and coupons from various retailers. To find the best deals, simply search for your desired retailer or product on these websites and browse through the available offers. Be sure to check the expiration dates and any terms and conditions before using a coupon. Browser extensions like Honey and Coopert can automatically find and apply the best coupon codes for your online purchases. To use these extensions, install them on your browser, create an account, and start shopping. The extension will automatically apply the best available coupon codes at checkout, ensuring you get the best deal possible. Retailer newsletters and social media. Many retailers offer exclusive discounts and promotions to their newsletter subscribers and social media followers. To stay informed about these deals, consider signing up for your favorite retailers' newsletters and following them on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Cashback and rewards programs. As we discussed in Hack 2, cashback and rewards programs like Rakuten, Swagbucks, and Honeygold can help you save even more money on your online purchases. By combining these programs with discount codes and coupons, you can maximize your savings and get the best possible deals. Abandoned cart strategy. Sometimes retailers will send you a discount code or offer if you add items to your shopping cart but don't complete the purchase. To try this strategy, create an account with the retailer, add items to your cart, and leave the website without completing the purchase. You may receive an email with a discount code or special offer within a few days. By utilizing these strategies and resources, you can find and apply discount codes and coupons to save even more money on your online purchases. For Hack 5, we'll discuss more about the abandoned cart strategy and how it can help you save money while shopping online. This strategy involves leaving items in your online shopping cart without completing the purchase, prompting retailers to send you discount codes or special offers to encourage you to complete the transaction. Create an account. To use the abandoned cart strategy, first create an account with the retailer. This ensures that the retailer has your email address and can send you promotional offers. Add items to your cart. Browse the retailer's website and add the items you're interested in purchasing to your shopping cart. Leave the website. Instead of completing the purchase, simply leave the website without checking out. This will trigger the abandoned cart process. Wait for a discount code or offer. In many cases, retailers will send you an email within a few days offering a discount code or special promotion to encourage you to complete your purchase. Keep an eye on your inbox for these offers. Complete the purchase. If you receive a discount code or offer, apply it to your shopping cart and complete the purchase to take advantage of the savings. By using the abandoned cart strategy, you can potentially save money on your online purchases by receiving exclusive discounts and promotions from retailers. For Hack 6, we'll discuss how to time your purchases effectively to save even more money while shopping online. By understanding the best times to buy certain products and taking advantage of seasonal sales, you can maximize your savings. Seasonal sales. Retailers often offer discounts during specific seasons or holidays, such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and end-of-season sales. Keep an eye on the calendar and plan your purchases around these events to take advantage of the best deals. Clearance sales. Retailers typically clear out their inventory at the end of a season to make room for new products. This is an excellent time to find discounts on items that may be going out of stock or being discontinued. Check the clearance sections of your favorite retailers regularly to find these deals. Price tracking tools. Use price tracking tools like Camel, Honey, and Keepa to monitor the price history of products you're interested in purchasing. These tools can help you determine the best time to buy by showing you when prices have historically been the lowest. Flash sales. Some retailers offer limited-time flash sales with significant discounts on select products. To stay informed about these sales, sign up for retailers' newsletters, follow them on social media, and enable notifications for deal-focused websites and apps. Manufacturer rebates and promotions. Manufacturers sometimes offer rebates or promotions on their products, which can lead to additional savings. Check the manufacturer's website and social media channels for any current offers before making a purchase. By timing your purchases strategically and taking advantage of sales and promotions, you can save even more money on your online shopping. For Hack 7, we'll discuss how to utilize social media and newsletters to stay informed about the latest deals, promotions, and product releases, helping you save money and make informed purchasing decisions. Follow brands and retailers on social media. Follow your favorite brands and retailers on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They often share exclusive deals, promotions, and product announcements on their social media channels. Turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss any important updates. Join online communities. Participate in online communities dedicated to sharing deals and discounts, such as Facebook groups, Reddit, and deal forums. These communities can help you discover the latest offers and learn about upcoming sales events. Sign up for newsletters. Subscribe to newsletters from your favorite brands and retailers. They often send exclusive discounts, promotions, and early access to sales events to their subscribers. Create a dedicated email address for these newsletters to keep your inbox organized and easily find the deals when you need them. Enable notifications for deal-focused apps and websites. Use deal-focused apps and websites like Slick Deals, Honey, and Retail. Me not to stay informed about the latest discounts and promotions. Enable notifications to receive real-time updates on the best deals. Engage with influencers and bloggers. Follow influencers and bloggers in your areas of interest, as they often collaborate with brands and retailers to share exclusive deals and promotions with their followers. Engage with their content and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest offers. By utilizing social media and newsletters, you can stay informed about the latest deals, promotions, and product releases, helping you save money and make informed purchasing decisions. For Hack 8, we'll discuss the benefits of buying in bulk and bundling products to save money while shopping online. Buying in bulk. Purchasing items in larger quantities can often lead to significant savings per unit. This is especially true for non-perishable items like toiletries, cleaning supplies, and canned goods. When shopping online, look for bulk purchase options and compare the price per unit to ensure you're getting the best deal. Bundling products. Many retailers offer discounts when you purchase multiple related items together, such as a camera with accessories or a computer with software. Look for bundle deals on the retailer's website and consider purchasing items together to take advantage of these savings. Wholesale and membership clubs. Consider joining wholesale clubs or membership-based retailers like Costco or Amazon Prime. These retailers often offer exclusive discounts and bulk pricing for their members, which can lead to significant savings over time. Group buying. Collaborate with friends, family, or neighbors to purchase items in bulk and split the cost. This can help you take advantage of bulk pricing without having to store large quantities of items yourself. Utilize coupons and promotions. Keep an eye out for coupons and promotions that can be applied to bulk purchases or bundles. This can help you save even more money on your online shopping. By buying in bulk and bundling products, you can save money on your online purchases and make the most of your shopping budget. In conclusion, by implementing the strategies discussed in this guide, you can maximize your savings while shopping online. Remember to take advantage of seasonal sales, clearance events, and price tracking tools to find the best deals. Utilize social media and newsletters to stay informed about the latest promotions and product releases. Finally, consider buying in bulk and bundling products to save even more money. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a savvy online shopper. Happy saving! Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily wealth videos.